So, I was having a conversation with a friend, and both of us wondered why Apple products are so expensive in India. Is it just because Apple is a company that makes premium products and therefore requires us to pay that premium? Or are there other reasons? A Google search later, I found out that since the Apple products are not manufactured in India, they attract heavy customs duty of up to 22.5%. It got me wondering, what is the point of a globalized economy if the price of the same product is different in different parts of the world? That made me realize how the custom duties impact our lives. After all, the effort of the 1992 Union Budget by Dr. Manmohan Singh was to move forward as a liberalized economy. Then why these custom duties and excise duties exist? Reading more about the duties, I learned that the custom duties are imposed on the imports to safeguard the national interests. If duties are not imposed, cheaper products would be dumped by big global companies and domestic manufacturers would suffer losses and would not set up manufacturing units. This would mean less jobs and less revenues for the government as local companies pay taxes to the government. Similarly, excise duties are imposed on the local manufacturers as a tax on the production and licensing. So it's not only the prices of Apple products that are high in India because of customs duty, but so are the prices of many products that you use in your daily lives. For example, ACs, cars, washing machines, etc. Though the product may be made in India, but prices include the customs duty that the local manufacturer pays for importing components used in the product. Now the duty changes under normal circumstances are made in the budget. So it is important for us to focus on the union budget as the duty structure impacts our lives and the life of the nation directly. For example, prices of many food items, AC, fridge, washing machine, computers, mobiles, cars are impacted by the duty changes. Similarly, success of the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative depends a lot on the duty rates. Low, attractive duty regime would attract more businessmen to set up new units, which means more jobs and more revenue for the government. More revenue for the government would result in more government spending on health, education, social welfare and infrastructure. This would ensure social security, better hospitals, affordable healthcare, better schools, and better roads. Coming after a lethal pandemic, the budget assumes more importance from the duty structure point of view. Global economies are recovering after a lull during the second corona wave. Suddenly, demand for various raw materials and energy has shot up, while production is still to match the demand. This has resulted in sharp rise in prices, which in turn has led to supply chain disruptions for local manufacturers. So there's a lot of expectation and hope that budget would give customs relief so that the prices of consumer electronics, healthcare equipment, primary intermediaries come down. This would also help import dependent local units come on track and prevent possible job losses. Similarly, a business-friendly duty regime would encourage Apple to manufacture more products apart from iPhone in India. This would not only create jobs but also improve the quality of some other Indian products due to competition. So friends, this is how the budget can ensure jobs, affordable and quality mobiles, bikes, cars, laptops and yes, made in India MacBooks too. समस्या का समाधान, budget पर दो ध्यान. For the complete analysis of the union budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to the Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.